Just for record purposes, it is Friday, October 15th, 2021. This is the attorney Zoom docket. On the docket today is case number 2100-22434 for State versus Howard David Collinger, 2100-17785 State versus George Worry, 2100-17786 State versus George Worry. Cause number 2100-21503 State versus Michael Dwayne Rodriguez, and cause number 2100-22577 State of Texas versus Noah James Steiner. I'm Judge Dosher. I am waiting for the arrival of the parties. Mr. Maduforo, this is Judge Dosher. Can you hear me? Judge, this is Judge Dosher. Mr. Maduforo, can you hear me? Unfortunately, I cannot hear you. The screen, at least on my end, says that you are connecting to audio. You have to tell it you want to connect through your computer if you have a microphone set up on your computer. Okay, Mr. Maduforo has disconnected. Hopefully he will reconnect shortly. Mr. Maduforo, if you can hear me, I can see you. I cannot hear you. Let me unmute you.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well. I am so sorry.
That's okay. Technical problems. I understand.
Yes, sorry.
All right, sir. And you're Mr. Bakwoma Maduforo?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Your client, George Norrie, has 2 cases here.
Yes.
One for failure to yield right away. That's cause number 210017785.
Yes.
And we have a speeding failure to control speed accident case 210017786.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I believe that is all you have on the docket, correct?
Yes, it is.
All right, sir. Have you received the state's offer in regards to these 2 cases?
I have.
Okay.
I wanted to speak to the prosecutor regarding that, see if we can. I went over the alphas with my client, and he's not agreeing to those. So I wanted to speak to the prosecutor.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't see we have a prosecutor here right now. Just one moment. I'm going to message their office and see who is going to be coming. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you can hold for just one moment, I'm going to put myself on mute.
Okay, Judge. Thank you.
Sir, I'm checking with their office right now to see who they're sending. Okay. But we're unfortunately, at least physically, there's 1 prosecutor in the office. There might be 2. And we also have attorney pre-trials in person happening in both courtrooms. So as soon as I find out who's coming and they log in, I will send you to the breakout room so you can discuss with them. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Alternatively, do you know how long it will be if we were to set it for trial?
I know right now, at least as of yesterday, they were setting trials for December. I don't think we have any dates for trials in January yet.
Okay. Okay. And George, I'm sorry, is the trial going to be by Zoom or in person?
We are conducting in-person trials right now, unless you or the defendant have a good reason or you're a member of one of the populations that are susceptible to COVID, you would have to submit a motion for that.
Okay. Okay.
But we are doing both jury trials and bench trials in person.
Bench trials. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So I just got wind that we have one prosecutor, so she is bouncing between the two in-person attorney dockets, and then she will probably join us here in here. So I'm gonna let her know that you are logged in and that you're wanting to talk to her about these two cases. So it might be a bit of a wait. So.
Okay, thank you, Jess. By the way, Judge, you pronounce my name very well.
Thank you, I tried.
Yeah, a lot of people struggle with it, but you got it. Thank you.
Are you Nigerian or?
I am. Yes,
Okay, I can recognize the name as that. So
yes.
we have very close Nigerian family friends. So.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Your last name's easy. It's Okiki.
Okay. Easy. Yeah. It's good.
Okay, I did send the prosecutor a note, and like I said, she's bouncing between two in-person attorney dockets, and I know those dockets are very full too. So.
Okay.
Just be a moment.
Okay.
Several moments.
Several moments.
Yes.
Okay. If it gets to be long, can I just reschedule it at maybe?
Yeah, we'll see. I do see that you've already had one reset.
Yes,
and I think they made the same offer that first time, if I'm not mistaken, correct?
Nothing changed. Actually, the offer was from, I forgot his name, is from a judge. I didn't speak to a prosecutor the first time.
Okay.
And I said, yeah, let me speak to my client. So
Okay.
yeah, I have not really gone over the facts of the case with the prosecutor to see
Gotcha.
what their own thinking is.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I do have notes from Judge Stevenson saying that he
Yes, Judge Stevenson.
at least approved an offer of deferred disposition.
Yes, yes, it did.
On these cases. So we will wait for the prosecutor to come in. Like I said, it might be a moment for her, but I'm going to put myself on mute.
Okay.
Feel free to do work at your desk, and I'll try to wave or something to get your attention. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
All right,
Thank you. Thank you.
Just to let you know, I'm going to turn my camera off. I am still here. Feel free to turn your camera off if you can stay logged in though. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mhm.
Mr. Maduforo, if you can unmute, I'm gonna ask you to unmute real quick. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, I can.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in one of the breakout rooms for a moment. Mr. Rubin has checked in, so I'm gonna check in with him as well.
Okay.
I can see that the prosecutor has a long line of defendants in the South courtroom, so I have sent her a message. I'll give her a little bit more, but I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. When I need to take you out of there, I'll send you a message through there, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Just one moment.
Thank you.
Did you get a request to go into room 2?
No, Your Honor, no.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Hello, Mr. Rubin. How are you?
Hi, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Judge, I am in UT Southwest Medical with not for me, but my mother, who
Okay.
is now almost 97. And I got here at 1:30. Oh, I got here at 3 in the morning.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm getting yelled at to get away from the nurse's station. So I have 3 cases with you today. It's good to see you.
Good to see you, sir. Good to see you too. I was wondering if you were just wearing the mask as solidarity for those of us here in person, but I'll make it quick so you can get back to your mother. We have on the docket for you 3 cases, like you said, Mr. Howard Collinger.
Yes.
And that's cause number 2100-22434 for speeding, 54 and a 40.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then we have Michael Rodriguez. That's cause number 2100-21503 for speeding, 57 and a 45.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Noah Steiner, 2100-22577 for speeding, 57 and a 40 mile per hour zone.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Did you receive all of the state's offers in regards to these cases?
I did not.
You did not. Okay. The state has offered in Mr. Collinger's case, that's the speeding, 54 and a 40. They have offered a deferred disposition of 204. That would be paid on or before, need to be paid on or before December 14th, 2021. There are no conditions for that deferred.
Judge, would you consider reducing the amount that the state has offered to make it a little more reasonable?
Unfortunately, the state is not available right now. We have one prosecutor for both courtrooms in person and for the Zoom docket. So I will stay with the state's recommendation at the 204 in this case.
I see the numbers, 204. Okay, that's fine, Your Honor.
So do you wish to enter a plea of no contest
Yes,
on
Your
Mr.
Honor.
Collinger's case?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and sign off on that. So that will be a deferred disposition. No contest plea, waiver of jury trial, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Will be a 90-day deferred. The 204 will be due on or before December 14th.
December 14th. Okay.
Yes, sir. And our clerk will email you or send you
Oh,
these.
that'd be great. I'd love to have those.
I don't know if they're going to email you, but they will definitely mail you the copies of the paperwork.
Okay, that's okay. I got the number, Will. Okay.
All right, sir. On your second client's case, Michael Dwayne Rodriguez, that's the speeding, 57 and a 45. The state has offered a deferred disposition for 90 days, $194 due on or before December 14th, 2021.
That'd be fine, Your Honor. We accept that and we plead no contest
Okay. I will approve that.
and waive our right to trial by jury.
Thank you. Is this the first time you've had to do this in the hospital?
It's the first time I've ever had to do one in the hospital.
Yeah. All right, sir. So that will be a deferred 90 days, no contest plea, waiver of trial. 194 will be due on or before December 14th.
December 14th is all you have to write down. Okay.
Okay. The third case is Noah Steiner, speeding 57 in a 40. Mr. Steiner is younger than 25 years old. So the state has offered deferred disposition at 219. As a condition of his deferred, he would need to take a DSC since he's under 25 or driver safety course. And that's for a 90-day deferred period. That 219 would be paid on or before December 14th, 2021.
Oh, that'd be fine, Your Honor. And
Okay.
we plead no contest and waive the right to trial by jury.
Okay, thank you, sir.
December 14th.
Yeah, December 14th is when payments due. The DSC will be due within the 90 days after payment. So he'll have some time to do that.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
I believe that's all you have on the docket for today, sir.
That
there
is correct,
anything else?
Judge.
Is there anything
no-
else you need to address? Okay.
Nothing else, Your Honor.
Okay, I hope your mom's doing well.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, and look out for the clerks will be mailing you the paperwork in the mail. If you have any questions, you're welcome to call them as well.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Take care.
Thanks, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye now.
Okay, Mr. Matuforo, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
As I told you in the breakout room, the prosecutor is currently working both courtrooms. She is meeting with attorneys who are in person. It looks like she has, let me check the cameras real quick. It looks like there are several attorneys ahead of her. If you wish to speak with her today, I'm happy to stay on. You can wait, and I will let you know when she's available. As I stated, and you acknowledge you have the prosecutor's offers here,
Yes, Your Honor.
correct, on these two cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in addition, should you wish to plead not guilty for your client, you do have that option today as well. So we can either wait to let you speak with her, or if you want to accept the offers, or if you would like to set it for trial, those are your options.
I'd like to set it for trial today.
Okay,
So
would you
I'll
like to
plead not guilty
set?
for my client.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I will plead not guilty for my client.
Okay. So you're going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client for both cases, the speeding, failure to control speed, and the failure to yield right of way.
Yes, Your Honor.
With that not guilty plea, do you wish to set it for trial by judge or jury?
By judge.
Judge for both?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
And you'll be waiving your right to a jury trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor. I do.
Okay, so you wish to waive your right to jury trial on both of these cases on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and do you wish the trial to be recorded? We are a court of record, so.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I will take note and accept your plea of not guilty in these cases, your client's cases, sorry. Mr., is it Worry?
Worry, yes. Yes, Your
Worry.
Honor.
Mr. Mori will be scheduled for a bench trial for these two cases. Do you want the two cases to be tried separately or together?
Together.
Okay. Again, we are a court of record. If there's any pretrial matters you need to address with the court, you need to file your motions or anything in writing. If there's any discovery that you are to do with the state, that will need to be arranged with the state. Again, you make a motion for discovery in writing prior to your trial, as well as if there are any videos that the state might have in relation to this case, they are required to give you access to them to inspect them. You would have to arrange that inspection time with the prosecutor's office. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, if you will look out in the mail for your client's setting information, you're going to get a notice of hearing regarding the date the trial's going to be set.
Yes, Your Honor, we do.
If there are any third-party witnesses that you wish to subpoena on your client's behalf, we'll need to have their information prior to trial as well.
We do, Judge.
Okay, do you have any other questions?
No, Your Honor, I'm good.
Okay, I will take note of your attendance at the hearing today and make note of your client's plea of not guilty, and we'll set these cases for bench trial.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you for your patience.
Thank you. May I be excused, please?
You may.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, and that concludes the matters on today's docket, so I'm going to end the Zoom hearing.